Hey guys, it's once again me, Grace, in one day for once, and I just want to say, I want to give a shout out to Jillian Belch. I think I'm saying that right. I'm pretty sure. Don't make me talk British. But yeah, she does.
Funny talking Tom videos. Other talking app videos that I have no idea how she does because I don't know how to even do that on my PC. So that's pretty amazing to me. I'm wearing this. This is my sister's. It's kind of my hair. She does covers.
She's a filler bro, like me. Once again, that's Jillian Belch, and I'll put the link in the description for her channel. And check her out. And it's really nice to have some fans. So anyways, I guess that's all I dropped it. I guess that's all I have to say is